Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel again. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to quickly and easily check your computer uptime. Knowing the uptime can help you understand how long your computer works without restarting, which is useful for troubleshooting and system maintenance. You can find out in more than one way, but I will explain the easiest way so that a novice user can do it easily. Okay, let's get started quickly. Open Windows 11 Settings by clicking on the Start menu and selecting Settings. And on the Settings page, click on the Network and Internet section. Then scroll down a little and click on Change Adapter Options. It will show you the network connection that is currently running on your computer. Then, double-click on the network adapter that is currently working on your computer. The connection status window will open and usually displays important information about the connection and its status. All we care about from this information is the duration, which displays the time since the connection was established, shown in hours, minutes and seconds. This connection was made from the first time the computer was turned on, so the time that appears in front of you is the actual time the computer was turned on. So we explored a quick and simple way to check the computer's uptime, and this method provides a direct way to know how long your system has been running without any additional commands or tools. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more practical tips and tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have any other methods or tips you would like to share. Thanks again, and see you in the next video.